Siv Ngesi hits back at nasty comments after twerking video. Everyone knows that Siv Ngesi does not bite his tongue, especially when it comes to dealing with trolls on social media. So when Siv shared a video of himself twerking to Ciara's hit track Level Up and some people criticized his body, he was ready. But first things first, if you have not seen the video we're talking about, here it is. Siv got down and dirty in nothing but a Speedo. While fans applauded the TV star's twerking skills, some tweeps had some things to get off their chests about the video. Some criticized his manhood while others had something to say about his body and how silly he looked. Siv hit back hard.
Yeah.